Today we are going to share about how to change your own car battery. This would save the workmanship cost or when there is no battery services offered nearby. There is just only a few steps which I will guide you through in this video. Please do take extra precaution when performing this task. The car battery life is normally between 1 to 2 years. Do check the top of the battery for status indication for maintenance free. If the indicator shows the battery is weak, do get a replacement. And the water level for wet type. If the water is below requirement, do top up the water to the required level. Once all checked, then let's start to replace our dead battery with these steps. Step 1 is to remove the cable from the battery. First is to remove the clamp from the negative side of the battery. After that, remove the positive side. Step 2. Try to clean both the positive and negative cable from oxidation. Use some old metal brush to do the cleaning. Step 3 is to remove the battery holder which is used to hold the battery in place. Step 4. Remove the old battery from the car and replace with the new battery. After that you can replace back the battery holder. Step 5. To connect back the cable, you will need to connect the positive side first. After that you can connect the negative side. Now that we are done, you can enjoy your ride without worrying breakdown because of your battery. If it's not so hard, please click the like button so other people may benefit through this video. And click the subscribe button to receive new videos.